What is going on, B gang? Welcome to the first vlog of Benjeyy. Oh, actually, you know what? Give me a second. Before I start this vlog, I'm gonna go freshen up for this. So give me a second. Oh, that's better. Okay, that was a bit of a fail, but I tried. I tried. That was such a fail. Oh, let's get some fucking light in this fucking room. Oh, fuck. I almost fell over on my own junk. Oh, let me take these out of my ears. I was shaving and you know I gotta listen to those beats. Yes.
What did you say?
Talking to the vlog. I'm opening it now.
Don't get your room, please.
You know my nana be lit and she be lit. Telling me to open my window and shit. Oh no. My room is so messy. I'm not even gonna show you that. Maybe I shouldn't have opened the window because I look better when it's dark. But oh well, it is what it is. Oh, fuck. Alright, so I've got to go get my auntie something from the store. And yeah. Unfortunately. Oh bro, this song's litty.
You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept. I got a new attitude and a lease on life for some peace of mind. Seeking to find I can sleep when I die. Want a piece of the pie, got the keys to the ride and shit on straight. I'm on my way, get on my way. I'm running late, what can I say? I heard you died twice. Once when they bury you in the grave, and the second time is the last time that somebody mentions your name. So when I leave here on this earth, did I take more than I gave? Did I look out for the people, or did I do it all for fame? Legend is Exodus, searching for euphoria, judging through the mud from the present, no ignoring.
Okay, so it seems like there's a lot of fucking traffic at the shops. Literally, the shops are only like 5 minutes away. Not even, it's like a walk away. Now I just gotta find a parking spot, which will be difficult. Yeah, there's no parking spots, damn it. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a complete U-turn here. We're actually got to buy her some cigarettes, so yeah. I don't smoke, guys. I don't smoke. Should I just park underneath? I've never really parked underneath here before. Should I go for it? If this car would move faster and get the fuck out of my way, maybe I will. Yeah, I will. If it gets too dark for the camera, I am going to... Holy shit, there's a lot of parking spots under fucking here. Well, I gotta park under here more fucking often. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Okay, well, where's the fucking, the lift? Because I've never parked under here before. So where the fuck is it? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna park right the fuck here. Jesus Christ. I think I just crashed my car. I think I just crashed my car. Wouldn't have been hard, but fuck, man. Did I just crash my fucking car? Fuck, bro. I'm gonna have to check. Fuck, man. I would usually leave my vlog camera in the car. How you doing, buddy? Oh, thank you. Thanks, man. I'll have to. What one?
Window one.
With this one?
The light that's in the bottom of the window. Can you see it in the middle?
The
Window.
I don't know what you're talking about, mate.
I can see you don't know what I'm talking about. Just the only one that works.
Oh, okay.
These two don't work. You need 2 light bulbs.
Okay, I'll take them down and I'll get them fixed. Thank you, mate.
If someone doesn't tell you, you give a shit.
No, yeah, exactly. Thank you. I'm a vlogger for YouTube. You know what I mean? So I do all these vlogs. I do.
I don't even know what a vlog is.
It's where you every day you record your life,
Okay.
and you get big off of that. And
Oh, good. I hope
Yeah.
you're successful. You know you hit the wall.
I know, and that's why. That's why I'm wondering. I'm too focused, and I'm like, why did I? What happened?
You put it in the wall.
I know. Oh, see ya.
Second to me on your vlog, whatever.
Yep, that is. He was a cool guy.
Alright, see you later.
Can I please have Rothman's Gold 40?
Yep, you got your ID?
No, I don't, unfortunately.
Sorry, I can't tell them to you.
Alright, I'll go home and get my ID.
Sorry about that.
You want to say hello to my video?
My video.
Alright, so I just grabbed my wallet. So I ended up finding it. I didn't know if I would be able to find it because my room is such a mess. I found it. And now I'm heading straight back up to the shops just to buy the cigarettes that my auntie wants. Okay, now that I've got my ID, hopefully they let me buy the cigarettes. Remember kids, do not smoke at home. Don't smoke anywhere. I shouldn't just say at home. How you doing? I'm back with my ID.
You're a good man, 31. Sorry about you. I'm just quickly in the middle of this.
No, that's fine.
That looks extra big, doesn't it?
I'm puffed because I decided to just walk home instead of taking my car home.
Sorry about that, but
No,
you know,
it's fine. It's
anybody under 25, we kind of have to ask.
yeah. Well, how do you know if they're over 25? I could be 26. How do you know?
Actually, look under 25.
I do. Thank you. I'm taking that as a compliment. I look young. Some people say I look like a 16-year-old. Can't you tell?
Thanks for being patient.
It's so hard to film my everyday life.
What are you doing it for?
It's you know YouTube, yeah?
Yeah, are you a YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber that vlogs his everyday life. So, well, I've only just started doing it, but I'm hoping that it becomes something, if you get what I mean.
You have to give me your name and I'll go and follow you.
You give me a piece of paper and I'll write it down.
Alrighty, okay.
I record multiple things, games,
Yeah.
vlogs.
Well, I have 2 teenagers that watch all that stuff.
You should go home to them tonight. You gotta go up to them and you gotta say to them right in their face, "You a B-ganger?" Because that's my subs. That's what my subs are.
What are they?
B-gangers. You know, like B-gang.
Aha.
Because my name's Ben, so it's like Benjeyy gang. You know, B-gang. You know.
Alright. So what are you having?
Rothman's Gold 40.
Okay. Have a lovely day. Oh, thank you. So, I'll take your name and we'll do that. We got 17/01/1998.
Yep.
So, you just had a birthday.
Yes, I did. Just turned 20.
Well done.
Feels like I'm getting older.
Yeah.
Well, I am, so.
$9.05 for
Thank you. Do you want my name?
Yep, I'm going to write it on here.
Yep.
Well, it's Benjamin.
Well,
Ben Carson.
no, the YouTube name is completely different than what's on my ID.
Okay.
It does start with Ben, but it's Benjeyy as Benjeyy. Yep, that's my YouTube.
Okay. Alrighty. I'll get my kids to have a look at that.
Yes.
And me too. Alright,
Yes.
that's yours.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
I will.
Alright? Tell the people on the camera, subscribe to become part of the B gang. Go ahead.
Subscribe to become part of the B gang.
You're awesome. Give me fist pumps. Yeah.
You need help?
No, it's fine. It's really difficult. I'm meant to be picking up my cameraman later today, so because he's going to be recording me as I'm doing all this stuff. Because it's really difficult doing all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, can you zip that up for me? I'll just pop that back in
Free
real
of
quick.
charge too.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
I thought it was going to cost me 50 cents.
There you go.
Thank
See
you.
later. Bye, man.
Alright, see ya. See, all these people are lovely. You know? I just got someone to tell people to subscribe to my channel, mate. So yeah, I wasn't lying. I am actually going to go pick up my camera guy because he's actually going to be recording me while I do all this stuff. While I do my vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, and we're about to head back home. Back to the house. And I'm going to give him a call and see where we can go from there. Much better. Alright, B-Gang, that's unfortunately all we have time for. I didn't get time to pick up my cameraman. I'm going to call him Cameraman John. That's what I'm going to call him. He got out of university a bit too late, and he lives like about 30 minutes away. And by the time I brought him back here, we'd only have like 20 minutes of recording time before I'd have to take him back. So, yeah, but tomorrow when there is another vlog, I will definitely be picking him up because he doesn't have university tomorrow, and we'll go from there. But if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button right now to become part of the B gang, and let's outdo every other gang. Fuck the low gangs, fuck Team 10. It's all about us. Come on guys, we could do it. Even though we're only like 100 strong right now, that doesn't matter. We got this. Let's go. I believe in you guys. Let's go. Let's do this. Peace out.